Hello guys, in this video I will introduce the rules of variables in Python, and there are 5 rules in total in this video. But before, you have to know one thing about variables. So variables are containers for storing data values, and Python has no command for declaring a variable. A variable is created the moment you first assign a value to it. So now I will make a simple program with simple variable. Let's go. X equals 5. Now y equals double quotes John double quotes and green X green y. You can see the result that the result of X is 5 and the result of Y is John. But variables don't need to be declared with any particular type and can even change type after they have been set. Okay, I will show you an example for that. X equals 5 and X equals fast. So I want to type green X. The result is fast. X equals 5. X in this is of type int. X equals double quotes plus double quotes. So X in this is in type str. But the output for print X is the last comment in this program. Next, it's for casting. If you want to specify the data type of a variable, this can be done with casting. I will show you the example for this. Okay, let's go. X equals str 3. Y equals int 3. Z equals float 3. And if I make print X, the result is 3, and print Y, the result is 3, plus print Z, the result is 3.0. In the first output, it is X will be single quotes, 3 single quotes, and this count the result. Y will be 3, the last result. Z will be 3.0. It's based on the data type of each comment. Then we will discuss how to get the type. With this, you can get the data type of a variable with the type from brackets function. So I want to show you. Let's go. X equals 5, then Y equals double quotes plus double quotes. Then I will apply with type X. So the result is class int and class str. With this command, you can get the result to define what the data type is for each variables x and y. Now, what if you make the program with single quotes and the other with double quotes? Okay, string variables can be declared either by using single or double quotes. We'll show you. Let's go. X equals single quotes plus. Then print x. Okay. Now with double quote. Then print x. The result is plus. So the first comment is the comment with single quotes, and the second comment is the comment with double quotes. But the result for those comments is same. Now, for the last rules is case sensitive. It is about variables names, but specifically the use of lowercase and uppercase in the letters. So I can show you now. Let's go. A is 4. Then A is plus. The first A is A with lowercase, and the second A is A with uppercase. So I will print those A. Print A and print A. Okay, you can see the result is 4 and plus. And the summary is A with uppercase case will not override A with lowercase letters. Okay, that is all, friends, guys. Hopefully this video is useful, and see you in the next video.